Little Giant Ladders Jumbo Step.
Hi, I'm Kenyon from Little Giant Ladder Systems, here to demo the Jumbo Step by Little Giant Ladders. Jumbo Step, pretty easy to operate. It really comes down to the hinge on the right and the left. You'll notice that one finger ought to do it. One on the right, one on the left, being able to unlock, fold that bar out of the way. Of course, you can use the ladder without the bar, and to fold it up, just simply pull on that top step, the front of that top step. We'll do it again one more time. Take the front of the top step, fold it straight up. The rest of the ladder should follow. And to carry it, we're just gonna reach around, grab it like this, and away you go. To set the ladder up, you'll just reverse the process. Fold the ladder open, bring the bar up. Again, always make sure that both of the hinges, left and right, are completely locked for your safety. You'll notice that up here at the top cap tool tray is completely fully functional. You've got recesses for hammers, screwdrivers, putty knives, and even hooks off to the side. One of my favorite parts, of course, are a cradle to put your cell phone, whether you put it in landscape or portrait mode, to take your instruction book, which in this day and age would be YouTube University. 3 quick reminders: always make sure you choose the right ladder for the job, set it up correctly, and maintain 3 points of contact when you're both climbing up and down your ladder. This is the Jumbo Step by Little Giant Ladders.
Got gutter outlet tool frame.
For gutter and downspout installation, one of the most critical tasks is creating a tight-fitting, leak-proof drop. Use the Malco gutter outlet tool and your choice of Malco punch and die to make clean, accurate cutouts in 5-inch or 6-inch K-style aluminum gutter. Punch and die assemblies are available for making 2x3 and 3x4-inch rectangular or X-style pattern cuts. The gutter outlet tool fits over the front of the gutter. An easy ratcheting mechanism on the tool frame and angled blades on the punch and die makes this operation remarkably easy.
Vevor electric hoist winch. Two control methods with the LED indicator, manual control and wire control. Including a pair of gloves, a wired handle, a manual, and 2 carbon brushes. The electric winch hoist features the galvanized steel wire cable, which can lift or tow up to 1,100 pounds, and the all-copper motor with 1,500 W high working efficiency. Lift speed, 16 feet per minute. Lift height, 25 feet. High-strength aluminum gearbox, making the hoist heat dissipation faster. This hoist winch has a compact size, weighing about 22.05 pounds. The soft rubber handle is wear-resistant and slip-resistant. The limit switch will automatically stop to protect the hoist when over the limit weight or position. Upper and lower hooks made of forging steel can rotate 360 degrees, and the safety latch design makes it more secure and anti-falling. Planum tile niche supporter for shower niche tiling tools and renovations toolkit. Holding up tiles above the niches, doors, and windows, and other vertical surfaces can be a real pain without proper bottom support. Keeping your tiles steady and straight during installation is difficult, and this is the only supporter on the market dedicated to solving this problem. Tile leveling system. The tile leveling system makes leveling tiles a breeze, improving tile installation efficiency. 300 PCS tile spacers. Tile spacer clip 1/16 inch used to hold tiles in place to keep grout line gaps consistent and easy to remove. 1 PCS tile pliers. That's for easy clamping of tile deeds and spacers. 1 PCS rubber mallet used to tap tiles to ensure good tile adhesion and to remove tile spacers. GutterSense gutter cleaning tool.
Do you dread gutter cleaning? It's time-consuming, messy, and climbing a ladder to reach second-story gutters is just asking for trouble. Now there's a safer, easier way to get the job done and from the ground. GutterSense is a lightweight, low-cost, easy-to-use tool that attaches to a 12 to 20-foot extension pole. Here's how it works. So first, you want to extend your pole. Extend it to meet the level of your gutter. Then you want to lift it to the top of the gutter. Drop it in. Wrap the pole line around your hand so that it's tight. Pull the rope. Find some leaves in there. Lift and release. And that is how easy it is to use.
LED Shop Light 20-watt IP66 explosion-proof lamp. The shell is made of high-strength acrylic material, compressive, IP66 waterproof, oil-proof, and dust-proof. Suitable for workbench, basement internal lighting of machines, such as industrial lighting such as CNC machine tools, lathes, milling machines, and workbenches. Laser workshop, warehouse, garage lights, barn, and LED construction light. Stair stringers cutting layout tool. Just 4 steps to cut a set of stair stringers. Measure height, online calculate, draw lines, and cut. Even non-professionals can make perfect stair stringers.
This is the Raptor Claw, the ultimate lifting tool. Let me show you how it's done. Let's get to work. Let me ask you a question. What are your most important tools? Your hands. The Raptor Claw helps you protect your hands. As you can see, I'm maneuvering this material with ease. And now we're going to pick up some drywall. And what the Raptor Claw allows you to do is to effortlessly move material around and also protect your hands so you're less tired at the end of the day. It also allows you to pick up buckets. If you want, you can always throw a second claw on. And also pick up a second bucket. This is the Raptor Claw.
Finally, a more efficient solution for dispensing caulk and adhesives. Introducing the new 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun and 20-ounce barrel-style caulk and adhesive gun from Makita. With an industry-leading 1,100 pounds of dispensing power for even the highest viscosity materials and cold weather use. The caulk and adhesive guns are equipped with a variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial to match the speed to the application for an even bead at all viscosity levels. The drip reduction feature relieves pressure when the trigger is released to minimize unintentional dispensing. The Makita caulking guns are the lightest and most compact in their category, with faster dispensing speed for increased productivity. Both tools are equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, as well as an overload indicator light that notifies the operator when the tool is nearly overloaded to minimize breakage of the sealants. And both will accommodate caulk and adhesives in the most widely used sizes for industrial applications. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.